Hi everyone, today I received this gamepad from Aliexpress. It's Ipega XB-006. Gamepad is compatible with PlayStation 4, PlayStation 3 and Windows PC games. You can see this information on the back and here. They do not specify like PS PlayStation, but if you see it's like P4, we can understand it's PlayStation. I will make unboxing of this gamepad and I will make some reviews with playing games in Windows, and I will try to find PlayStation 4 for checking games on both consoles. Alright, and let's start with unboxing. Alright, let's start to see what is inside of this box. Package is really good. It's not PlayStation 4 package, but they did very nice box. If you see, for budget gamepad. It's not so budget, $27. It's not so cheap price for Chinese gamepad. But let's see what is inside and how does it looks. Okay, we have very good package. We have instruction. Next we have no drivers disk. I think it's we can find drivers online. We have charging cable and joystick itself. It's wireless joystick. If you see all information on the back. About battery, voltage, model name, made in China. It looks very nice. It feels like touching is very nicely comfortable. Let's check all buttons. Alright, you see, like it's very nice quality. Looks very like improved, designed. We have completely plastic casing, not rubber handles here, but this texture is help us to our hands do not slice when you're playing. When you sweat, your hands are sweating. Rubber sticks, very comfortable to rotate and pressing. All buttons are very comfortable for touching and pressing. I played on original PlayStation 4 joystick, and now I doesn't feel any differences, but this looks and feels much better than PlayStation. Alright, Sony is no under competition, but looks this joystick cost around 2.5 times lower than PlayStation. Also is compatible with Windows, PlayStation 3 and PlayStation 4 as well. We also can input earphones inside, like on PlayStation original joystick. Also you have speaker here. Touchpad also must work. Right, I will check it. Firstly, it's on Windows games, and next I will try to find PlayStation 4 for showing compatibility. Okay, what about overall design? If you see, original PlayStation joystick is much smooth, and this one is with sharp edges. It doesn't play so much differences in comfortability. It's only up to you. You need to try play both. gamepads, and then you will make a conclusion. But I think overall design doesn't play so much on playing comfortability. Yeah, that feels like this joystick is comfortable, but this one also sitting in the hands very good. It's only up to you what you feel better. Okay, and what about comparison between original PlayStation joystick and Chinese Ipega? Let's start from buttons, arrows. Feels like same. I don't feel like uncomfortability. Yeah, that's good. Next, sticks. If you see difference, on original PlayStation we have convex sticks. Here we have a concave sticks. I played some days by Ipega joystick, and PlayStation sticks feel much better for playing. Maybe somebody have another decision, but I think that's much comfortable than concave sticks. Next, action buttons. Pressing feels like same. Shifts and triggers. Similar. About comfortability, I can say my conclusion after some day playing. Very good, very comfortable joystick. It's compatible with PlayStation 4 and with PC. Yeah, I recommended this joystick if you want to save some of your money. Okay, now it's time for checking this gamepad. I have original Logitech, very old, but that's good, working in all games. Action buttons 1, 2, 3, 4. Same must be here, right? 1, yeah, working. 2, 3, 4. Triggers 7, 8, 7, 8. Next 5, 6. Rotation. Yeah. Sticks. Yeah, sticks works. All buttons are working. I do not need to install any software, additional software. One thing I use it wire, because this gamepad is do not include Bluetooth adapter. I think I will check Bluetooth connection some later. Okay, yeah, everything, all buttons working like original joystick must work. I will make very fast checking. Yeah, it's surprising because some Chinese joysticks, gamepads are not compatible with original gamepad buttons. Like you must use additional programs, but this working very well. Looks like original control. Yeah, it's working. Next. Yeah, everything fine. Also vibration. Yes, amazing. Also, I will check it with PlayStation soon, and I will buy Bluetooth adapter for checking how does it connects like a wireless gamepad. Okay, now it's time to check connection of this gamepad with PC by Bluetooth. I have adapter 4.0. Okay, started to install drivers. Bluetooth start working, and let's add device. Need to press home and share button. Okay, game controller. Let's check on control panel devices. Okay, I see game wired controller here. I see it's working. All buttons are working correctly. And let's check in the game. Okay, I see buttons enable in the game doesn't work. Maybe I could find this gamepad in settings. We have detected that you don't have a dual analog connection. Alright, and I can tell you one secret. I have found how to connect this joystick and this joystick to PC and playing with in games. You just only need software. It calls X360CE. It looks like that. And how to use that software you can find in internet. This automatically recognize gamepads. You see all buttons are recognized. You can set up your buttons, and you can set up many controllers, up to 4 controllers. And I do not need a wire. If you see, it's like wireless connection right now. Next, what you need to do, save settings, and copy all these files. Copy and paste into the game folder. It's like only like simply explanation. Next, go into the game and let's check. Okay, this one is working. Buttons working. Next, this one. Yeah, that's how to make a crack and work and play with this gamepad without any wires, only by Bluetooth connection. It's only you need software X360CE. Okay, everything working, and if you see, you just only need one Bluetooth adapter for connection. Like many gamepads, you do not need so much wires, and only just one.